Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure the phone has at least 20% charge and that you know the device PIN or Samsung account password. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Connections, then tap SIM Card Manager. You're here to locate the eSIM profile. This screen lists physical and embedded SIMs. Tap the eSIM you want removed so you can see the profile detail. Do this now to expose the delete or remove options and continue to the actual removal step. With the eSIM profile open, tap Remove or Delete Profile. The label varies, but it's clearly the option to erase the embedded profile. Confirm the deletion when the system asks, and enter your device PIN or Samsung account password if required. That prevents accidental removals. Once confirmed, the phone deletes local eSIM credentials. Make sure to follow any carrier prompts that may appear to complete network-side deactivation. This ensures calls and data stop routing to the removed eSIM. Finish by restarting the S24 Ultra so the system refreshes network state and clears any cached plan data. After reboot, verify in Settings Right Arrow Connections, Right Arrow SIM Card Manager that the eSIM no longer appears. Make sure to contact your carrier to confirm the eSIM was deactivated on their side to prevent residual billing. If deletion was unavailable or grayed out, double-check for pending software updates. Disable the plan first or call carrier support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.